Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of outdoor living space designs. In this presentation, we will explore how to transform your backyard into a stunning oasis that reflects your personal style and enhances your outdoor experience. Outdoor living spaces are not just about aesthetics, they are about creating a functional area where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy nature. Whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling garden, there are endless possibilities to make the most of your outdoor area. Let's dive in and discover the key elements that will elevate your outdoor living space. Before diving into design ideas, it's crucial to understand the space you have. Take a moment to assess your outdoor area, considering its size, shape, and existing features. Are there any trees, slopes, or structures that you need to work around? Understanding these elements will help you create a design that complements your space rather than competes with it. Additionally, think about how you want to use this area. Do you envision a cozy reading nook, a vibrant garden for entertaining, or a serene retreat for relaxation? Knowing your goals will guide your design choices. One of the first steps in designing your outdoor living space is choosing a theme. A cohesive theme can tie together various elements and create a harmonious look. Popular themes include modern minimalist, rustic farmhouse, tropical paradise, and Mediterranean charm. Each theme has its unique characteristics, from color palettes to materials used. For instance, a modern minimalist theme might feature clean lines and neutral colors, while a tropical paradise could incorporate vibrant hues and lush greenery. Consider what resonates with you and how you want your outdoor space to feel. Furniture plays a pivotal role in outdoor living spaces. Selecting the right pieces can enhance comfort and functionality. When choosing outdoor furniture, consider materials that withstand the elements, such as teak, aluminum, or synthetic wicker. Additionally, think about the layout of your space. Do you want a dining area, lounge chairs, or a fire pit? Mixing and matching different types of seating can create a dynamic and inviting atmosphere. Don't forget to add cushions and throws for extra comfort and style. Plants are essential in creating a vibrant outdoor living space. They add color, texture, and life to your design. Consider incorporating a mix of perennials, annuals, and shrubs to create visual interest throughout the seasons. Vertical gardens or hanging planters can be great options for smaller spaces, while larger gardens can accommodate trees and larger plants. Additionally, think about the placement of your plants. Grouping them in clusters can create a more natural look, while strategic placement can enhance privacy and define different areas of your outdoor space. Lighting is a crucial element that can dramatically change the atmosphere of your outdoor living space. Consider incorporating a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting environment. String lights, lanterns, and solar-powered garden lights can add a magical touch to your evenings. Additionally, think about the functionality of your lighting. Do you need brighter lights for dining or softer lights for relaxation? Planning your lighting carefully can extend the usability of your outdoor space into the night. Creating distinct zones within your outdoor living space can enhance its functionality and flow. Consider dividing your area into sections for dining, lounging, and gardening. This can be achieved through the use of furniture arrangement, rugs, or even landscaping elements like hedges or trellises. Each zone should serve a specific purpose, allowing you to enjoy different activities in your outdoor space. This not only maximizes the use of your area but also adds visual interest and organization to your design. Water features can add a serene and calming element to your outdoor living space. Whether it's a small fountain, a pond, or a swimming pool, the sound of flowing water can create a peaceful atmosphere. Consider the size and style of the water feature to ensure it complements your overall design. Additionally, think about how it will be maintained. Some features require more upkeep than others, so choose one that fits your lifestyle. A well-placed water feature can become a stunning focal point in your outdoor oasis. Fire pits and outdoor heating options can extend the usability of your outdoor living space into cooler months. A fire pit serves as a gathering spot for friends and family, providing warmth and ambience. There are various styles to choose from, including built-in stone pits, portable fire bowls, or even chimeneas. Additionally, consider adding outdoor heaters or blankets for extra comfort. This way, you can enjoy your outdoor space year-round, making it a versatile area for relaxation and entertainment. An outdoor kitchen can elevate your outdoor living experience, making it perfect for entertaining. Consider incorporating a grill, countertop space, and even a sink for convenience. Dining areas should be designed for comfort, with ample seating and shade options. Think about the flow of your space. You want it to be easy for guests to move between the kitchen and dining areas. Adding a bar or outdoor island can also enhance the social aspect of your outdoor gatherings, making it a hub for fun and food. Incorporating sustainable practices into your outdoor living space design is not only beneficial for the environment but can also enhance the beauty of your area. Consider using native plants that require less water and maintenance, or installing a rain garden to manage stormwater. Additionally, think about using recycled materials for your furniture or hardscaping. Solar lights and energy-efficient appliances can also reduce your carbon footprint while providing functionality. Embracing sustainability can create a beautiful and eco-friendly outdoor oasis. Adding personal touches to your outdoor living space can make it truly unique. Consider incorporating art pieces, decorative pillows, or handmade items that reflect your personality and style. Family heirlooms or travel souvenirs can also serve as conversation starters and add character to your space. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and elements. This eclectic approach can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Your outdoor space should be a reflection of you, so let your creativity shine. Maintaining your outdoor living space is essential to keep it looking its best. Regular upkeep, such as cleaning furniture, trimming plants, and checking for wear and tear, can prolong the life of your outdoor elements. Consider creating a seasonal maintenance schedule to stay organized. Additionally, investing in quality materials can reduce the need for frequent replacements. Remember, a well-maintained outdoor space not only looks great but also enhances your enjoyment of the area. Finding inspiration for your outdoor living space design can be a fun and creative process. Explore magazines, websites, and social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram for ideas. Visiting local garden centers or outdoor living shows can also provide valuable insights and resources. Don't hesitate to consult with professionals if you need guidance or assistance in bringing your vision to life. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and your outdoor space can be as unique as you are. In conclusion, designing an outdoor living space is an exciting opportunity to enhance your home and lifestyle. By understanding your space, choosing a theme, and incorporating various elements, you can create a beautiful and functional area that reflects your personality. Remember to consider sustainability, maintenance, and personal touches to make your outdoor oasis truly yours. We hope this presentation has inspired you to embark on your outdoor living journey. Happy designing!
And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.